Welcome to Let's Talk Investing, a co-production of the Globe and Mail and the Investor Education Fund. I'm Rob Carrick, personal finance columnist at the Globe and Mail, and with me is Cynthia Kett. Cynthia is a principal at the advice-only financial planning firm Stewart & Kett. Cynthia, let's talk about a service for high net worth individuals and families called the Family Office. It's increasingly being made available in Canada. What's it all about?
A family office is like having your own personal financial team behind you. And the idea is that they try to make sure that you make effective and efficient use of the resources available to you. It's geared towards high net worth individuals.
So what specific services do they provide? Like what kinds of day-to-day financial tasks are they taking off my table as a high net worth individual?
Well, depending on the firm, they can do almost anything you want them to do.
Do they pay your bills?
They could do. They could do. Some firms do offer that service. It's meant to be an integrated and comprehensive type of service. So it really encompasses cash management, tax, investing, retirement, risk management, and estate planning. So it will cover anything to do with money, pretty much.
Now, it sounds pretty comprehensive and detailed. How much does it cost?
Well, it depends on the needs of the client. For instance, a very wealthy family might have a whole team which they support. So that means paying the salaries of all those highly trained and experienced professionals. On the other hand, you might have multi-family offices, and so those different clients would share the cost of having a team.
What might a typical annual billing be for a family that's using a family office service but doesn't have a whole dedicated team working on them?
Well, let's just say that if they had $1 million in investable assets, because that's sort of a nice benchmark to use, it might run about $10,000 or more, depending on what the needs are.
Is that fee tax deductible?
In some cases it is, if it's investment related or if it's business related, or yes, some or all of it might be.
Great, thanks Cynthia.
You're welcome.